Model kits are rated from 1 to 5 in terms of difficulty, with 5 being the most difficult rating for building models. Skill level 5 kits are not for the faint of heart, usually with at least 200 pieces and the potential for over 1,000. These kits demand extensive gluing, painting, and the delicate application of waterslide decals. Recommended for ages 14 and older, skill level 5 kits require a keen eye for detail and a steady hand. From the assembly of intricate parts to the precise painting of each component, this level of modeling is a true test of patience and skill. An example of a skill level 5 kit is this World War II convoy escort ship. It has 500 parts, and each one needs to be prepped and painted. For the experienced modeler, this is a fantastic project. Don't let the high number of pieces scare you from building this level of kit. This kit comes with very detailed instructions that you need to follow closely so you won't have any issues assembling it. You will be doing a lot of gluing of different types of parts, including chrome, clear plastic windshields, amber lenses, and lots of plastic. Painting is a key aspect of skill level 5 kits, with detailed painting of engines, undercarriage parts, and interiors. Placing the decals on your skill level 5 model is challenging as they are much larger and more detailed, but look awesome when they are done correctly. A skill level 5 kit is a good time to really perfect your painting skills. There are so many fun ways you can paint your model, including brushing, rattle cans, and airbrushing. Go out and buy you a skill level 5 and give it a try. If you get frustrated, you can always fix them with a little patience and more glue. Check out more model kit tips at modelkitpro.com.